Hey, good afternoon. Mohammed here, North End Motors. Hey, I just want to let you guys know that we are keeping our showroom clean. I just want to come back to you to show you what we're doing. I got my mask off because I'm away from everybody, but I'm going to put my mask on right now. So we just wanted to show you what we're doing. We're disinfecting throughout the day, and we're deep cleaning quite often as well to our showroom and all the surfaces that we use, so you can feel safe when you're coming down here. So here's Maya over here. She's cleaning around. This is the gadget we got. We're spraying it. This is mist or whatever. This all the disinfectant that we're doing. All the doors, the trash, the desk, whatever we're doing throughout the day. So so you can feel safe when you come to our dealership here in North End Motors. So looking forward to seeing you today. I hope you're looking for a car. Come on down. We are open. Set up an appointment so we can get the car pulled right in front of you, right up front, so you can actually, just get in the car and go, and we can get you out of here, in and out of here quickly. And you can also, don't forget the process online as well. Remember, click and drive. You can do most of the stuff online. All you gotta just come down and pick up a car, and we can walk you right through it. Give us a call. We'll stop by here, North End Motors, 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, or visit us online, northendmotors.com, and click any of the cars that say click and drive, and we'll be good to go. Hope you're having a good day, and hope to see you today. We're here till 5 o'clock. We are closed tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be doing some deep cleaning throughout the whole dealership as well. So, and then we'll be open Monday regular time. Looking forward to seeing you. I hope you have a good day. Be safe.